Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 4101-5W. This is your 9/16 by 3-inch spring shackle trailer bolt with the zerk fitting. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is part number 4101-5W. This is your 9/16 by 18 by 3-inch Shackle Spring Wet Bolt with the zerk fitting. So it has this nice little grease fitting right here. Allows you to easily lubricate your moving parts on your trailer. Everything that's lubricated is going to last longer, so this is a cool little upgrade you can get on your trailer to just make all the parts last longer and not have to do so much maintenance all the time. It has the little hole right here you can see that will squirt out the grease. Cool little upgrade. It's a grade 5 bolt, as you can see, 3 lines, and we'll measure it out real quick. So the overall length of this guy from the top of the head to the bottom is going to be 3.36 inches. The usable, so from bottom of head to end, is going to be 3 inches long. And so this has a couple different uses. This is the spring bolt for your double eye springs or slipper springs that are 1 3/4 inch wide. For example, it would be the spring bolt for a 1 3/4 inch wide double eye spring. Obviously you would just stick it in there. Use a lock nut like TPU 916L lock nut with it, and that's what connects it to the trailer. You put your leaf springs in there, then connect it to the trailer with this bolt. And one cool thing about this bolt is whenever you go to put it in the hangers, you see it has this little part right here, right below the head. What that actually does is that actually presses in to the hanger. You knock it in, and that secures it so it doesn't move around while it's installed on the trailer. So I just think that's a pretty cool little feature. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. It sure does make me feel good. Thanks for watching.